This lesson follows one simple path: build the intuition, state ISP precisely, watch a worker contract, create friction, then refactor it, and keep one design instinct. We will not start with the solution. First, we will feel why carrying unrelated requirements is uncomfortable, and only then move into Java. Imagine opening one giant restaurant menu when all you want is a burger. You still have to pass the kids section, the wine list, and the vegan section. The useful intuition is simple. You are forced to carry options you do not need. That is only an analogy, not the technical definition of ISP. The Interface Segregation Principle says, clients should not be forced to depend on methods they do not use. A client is code that relies on an interface contract. Coupling is that dependency, so ISP asks whether the contract makes the client depend on capabilities it never needs. Focused does not mean one method per interface. Related methods can stay together when the same clients genuinely need them. Start with a worker interface that requires work. That requirement is easy to understand. Add eat to the same contract. For a human worker, both work and eat are meaningful, so this broader interface still looks reasonable. RobotWorker can work, so implementing worker may still seem natural at first. But worker also requires eat. A robot has no meaningful eating behavior, yet the interface still forces RobotWorker to provide that method. An empty body or an unsupported operation exception is not the real design goal. It is evidence that the contract is asking for a capability that does not belong here. The real issue is dependency on the full worker contract. RobotWorker cannot choose to depend on work while ignoring eat. If the eat method changes, code that has nothing to do with eating may still be affected. That is unnecessary coupling to a capability the client does not need. So the design question becomes, can each class depend only on capabilities that actually describe it? Split the unrelated capabilities into focused contracts. Workable describes working and Eatable describes eating. Human worker genuinely needs both capabilities, so it can implement both Workable and Eatable. Robot worker needs only Workable, so eat disappears from its contract instead of being faked. The irrelevant dependency is gone. The principle is about client needs, not interface size. A focused interface may still contain several related methods. The final design says exactly what ISP asks for. Each client depends only on the focused interface it needs. The memory hook is, don't force clients to carry what they don't need. The canonical principle remains that clients should not depend on methods they do not use. Later, patterns such as Adapter and Facade can expose narrower purpose-specific interfaces. They are separate lessons. This is only the design instinct we carry forward.